Okay, everybody, it's Rick, back at this program, back at Wordle, and we're gonna go and do a side quest, as I put it in the titles there, which should actually, I think, really say side quest. Let's fix that, because I think it should really say side quest without the space. Side quest, one word, although now I get a message saying maybe there's some spelling with that, but what's happening? When the game starts up, it grabs a 5-letter word at random from the dictionary. So it loads all of the words from this file, valid-wordle-words, and it line should continue. Wonder why. Well, it's been a while since I looked at this, but you can see what it's doing. It's inserting these words which are in this file, and that file looks like this. So even here, I'll put it in the editor. And so there's words like audio in here, but also bin. And so it puts all of these into the dictionary, and then those words are then available to this class, which will then have other functions where you can grab a random word, and that's what it's doing here. When I'm looking at this code, I'm just puzzled by this. Should continue. It's not anywhere else. Enumerate lines, but anyway, I'll go look at that later. The side quest, or an actual open item in my to-do list, is to deal with this dictionary. So deal with dictionary. Remove the rare words. So this is in my to-do. So I was gonna start removing the rare words by just going through this file, and I'm gonna remove that one that we saw there, AUBIN. Then I was gonna do like, never heard of these two words. I'll get rid of these two words, and so on. I'll go down and Axeman, Axemen, Axoid, but Ayaz, probably not a word. So I've already I've already, in just that little bit, have gotten rid of looks like I got rid of 4 words, which is cool. And let's actually commit that. It's been a while since we did a commit. We'll add this. Put a little comment in there. We'll push that up. And there's got to be a better way than just going through this list and by hand removing these words. In the end, it makes for a truly curated list, but I then got to thinking, isn't there a way that I could quickly look at word frequency? And when I put that into Google, I found this post off of Stack Exchange, which I will put into our message here. And basically, word frequencies can be calculated inside of your own corpus or your own body of text. But if it's a dictionary, one thing that you could do is just go ahead and use this API from Datamuse. And here, this person even puts in a simple Python program, which you can call 100, which apparently you can make a request, an HTTP request, 100,000 times. But we don't even need to do it that many times because the valid word list that we have is only, I think, 13,000. Okay, 14,000 words. But we clearly don't need to. We clearly don't need 100,000 times. We clearly don't need to call this 100,000 times. So, yeah. So we can go and calculate the frequency, and here we have the frequency of this word here, smart ass. But if I do something, I guess if I do, let's first do something simple like curl. And I'm going to try this. I don't know if I have curl in this machine. Yeah, apparently I do. And it actually put it, yikes. I should have maybe done it with the question mark. Causes a little shell processing that I don't want. But let me try it with the double quote. And you see it's got some, you see it produced a JSON there, score of 129,630 with a F frequency. That's what this F stands for, of 0.03. But then let's put in maybe a more frequently used word like earth. It's got an F grade of 79. So you see what's happening here. We could call the API for every word that is in our dictionary, get all of the F values, sort them by the F values, and then just take the first 6,000 of those things. And that's what this Sidequest is about. I'm going to try to program this, and it's clear that you can do it just using Python, which I've mentioned before. I'm more familiar with it, but I then found a resource on YouTube DGU. And DGU has a couple of sample programs that make calls to REST, that makes calls to an HTTP service like Datamuse. And Datamuse is this thing here. I'm gonna put that into our chat. I think I put some of this in in the YouTube description already. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go and grab this code, see if I can get it to run, and this is doing a call to HTTP update, and it's using a view controller. I don't know if this is going to work with the current Xcode that I have, but we're going to find out right now. Let me go and right. So let me go and get this repository. Go back here. Okay, it's from 2017, so there are there any forks? Yeah, there are a couple of forks here. It might be interesting to look at these. Oh, brother, I always forget how to look at the forks. I don't have any existing forks. No, I don't, but I do want to, oh, 20, I think I have to hold it. Nope. View existing forks. Here we go. No fork repositories found in the period of 2 years. What about all time? Yeah. I don't know what this person did to it. It's one commit ahead. Curious. My endpoint. Okay, well we're gonna do the exact same thing, but for our endpoint. So yeah, let's go and get this and try to install it. And I'll go offline. We'll do that. We're just coding here, programming on a side quest to improve the dictionary by writing yet more programs. If that's also what programming is. Writing programs so that you can continue to write your other programs. We'll catch up with you when I come back. what a bummer. The target contains source code developed with Swift 3.x, and I need to use Xcode 10 to migrate it to Swift 4. Now, I don't want to make a mountain out of a molehill. Some might argue that that's what I'm doing now with writing this program or going on this side quest. But let me just see if I can get the Xcode 10.1 first. If that's at all a possibility, I may just go through that. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this might be something worth doing, but I gotta be careful of the environment variable, the developer dir. It's gonna put it in my applications directory, and it should put it under Xcode 10, but let's go and do that. I will first exit this. We're going to migrate to Swift 4. So I will exit all of my Xcode. I think I just got a prompt. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, allow it. Hopefully that wasn't a security breach. 6 gig. Okay, well, this might be a short video. While we're waiting, let's play the game, and the next time I come on, we'll try to convert Diju's program to Swift 4. I'll put that in the to-do. We're going to do this. This is the top of the thing now. Convert. We're going to convert this program and sometimes when I think about it now, I realize that we could have just created our own version. The code that we have to copy is very small. Let's go back to it. It's actually only this, and let me see, it's downloading this. Yeah, I guess it's going fast, even though I'm also uploading my video stream. So 7 minutes, huh? Okay, well, we'll go and fire up this Wordle game. I have a new color scheme, so I'm gonna just try this color scheme out. I think I got TASER in the right spot, So if I do BANKY, I got BANKY, incredible. MANIC, MANIC, I got it. A man, boy, oh boy, this could be anything. Mango. Mangy? No, I already had the Y. Whatever the word is going to be, it's going to be very unsatisfying. MANGA. Okay, so game still plays pretty good. When I do a grep of MANGA though, in our valid words, let's see, if I do the 10 that are around it, we have MANE, MANIS, MANIA, but MANIT, there were definitely words we don't want. And I think when we cull the words down using this program, it's gonna make a big difference. So yeah, the reason why I want to get Xcode working is even Xcode 10, even though I probably will just delete it right away. I'm second guessing myself, but it looks like it's a app program, so it would be nice to see what it is that he has for an application. So it's halfway through, and if I go back to this video, I think we've seen the URL in our code, but we haven't seen session, URL session, and so we're gonna have to learn a few more things of Swift to get this done. But I like that there's an example here, and if anything, we can just convert it, and I can maybe even make a fork. This might even ask me to restart. So I think maybe I'll come on tomorrow and at least do the exercise of building this and converting to Swift 4. And I think until then, that's what our side quest is about. I hope you join me for some of it. And these are live streams, so if you join me live, you can interact with me here in the chat. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy watching this from afar at whatever time you're watching it. Thank you for checking this out. And the next time I come on, we're going to have this code inside of Xcode, and we're going to play with it and get started with this side quest. I hope you join me. Thank you again. Thank you again for looking at this.